Hello everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we'll be unboxing my new drone, the EVO II Pro, a 6K drone. I purchased a combo with an SD card, a landing pad and a case. First there was a thick cardboard as a filler in the box. Trying to take out the drone, I was really surprised how heavy it actually was. In the other box there was the case. That was much lighter. And here's another piece of cardboard. And there's my new drone. It is much heavier than the DJI Mavic 2. In a separate box, there's the controller. In the next box we have the power adapter to charge the battery. And in this box we find different connector cables for cell phones to the remote control. We find some replacement propellers and a quick start guide. And now let's unbox our carrying case. It feels like it's a really good quality. And I like the size a lot. There's protection tape over all sensors that needs to be removed. It was surprising to me how tight the propeller protectors were. And finally we are unfolding the controller and removing all the plastic. Wasn't something missing? Oh right, there was an extra battery in the carrying case. I almost couldn't believe how easy it was to get the drone started, without the need of creating an account or fancy upgrades. I was really impressed with the image quality. And also Autel Robotics impressed me. On their website they offer a lot for free download that is simply perfect for this drone. Here's the unedited footage. And here with the LUT applied, without any additional color corrections or adjustments. And with my first recordings, impressions from downtown Fort Myers, I say goodbye to you. Thanks so much for watching this and I hope to see you all soon again. If you like that, please leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye for now. Du genießt dein Spiel.
secret smile, desire in your breath, the look of love, a feeling you don't need. You're dancing just for me. So schön kann Kälte sein, die Macht zu wissen wie. Why don't you look at me? Nur ein Spiel. Each of your moves shows everything. Imagination's how the night could be. You're dancing just for me. So schön kann Kälte sein, fasziniert von dir. Du genießt dein Spiel, nur ein Spiel. Du spielst das Spiel des Lebens, der Starke hat die Macht. Wozu braucht man Liebe, wenn man schon alles hat? You don't even notice the victims of your games. You get your satisfaction while others go insane. Golden eyes moving like a cat, moves like skin, but everyone can see. You're dancing just for me. So schön kann Kälte sein, die Macht zu wissen wie. Du genießt dein Spiel, nur ein Spiel. Each of your moves shows everything.